Okay, so the way you do this is, so as you can see, my, what am I looking at that for? My houses are only level 15. Um, I'm not going to go any higher than that. This one's a 17, and that was before I knew any better. So what you do is, as you can see, I can only store or house 100 and let's see, 168 recruits. And so typically once you've done that, you run out of room. However, I can take this 147 recruits that I have now, and typically I would put them in TC11, but since we've got other things going on, I'm just going to do it right here. So I'll go train, and I already have 103 just sitting in here chilling, so I can do 36 more. Now, once that's done, they're in there and they're not going anywhere because it takes so long. I mean, you see 17 days, 7 hours. So that means I've got that long to work with it. If I want to leave it, then that's fine, and I just have that many coming in, um, you know, through a period of time over the next few days. I'll just constantly having heroes coming in. But if I decide, say, I want something faster or a specific color, I can back out and say when this research is done on Train Cap 20, I could do like TC19 and get those. But I'll just do an example here. Well, actually, first I'm going to go in here and now, as you can see, check the recruits. It's at 3, and check the food. It's 1163, and then so what you can do is just minus, and it gives you your recruits and food right back. And you can just keep doing that. I think you can do that down to like 1, as long as you keep 1 in there training them. And so then I can pull these recruits. So in other words, if I wanted to, I could instantly pull 139 recruits out. And I haven't even been trying. Like I've gotten up to 2,200 recruits before doing this here lately. I've just been kind of slacking. But yeah, so I could pull them out and then go back to my other training camp, and then say if I wanted to go here and train, some nature heroes or some dark heroes or something like that, I could do that. My goal is to eventually get this one to TC19, and then when this one finishes the research on the legendary, I'll have 2 TC19s that I can just constantly keep heroes coming out extremely quickly, like build up a couple thousand and then build my heroes up super fast. Then of course I want the TC20 for the chance to try to get the legendary here and there when I've just got extra time to goof off. But anyways, yep, so you just continuously, and I always do 12-9 if I use my if I'm using loot tokens, because I find with 12-9, so for example, I'll go to the map here, and 12-9, I usually typically get about 10 recruits per loot token, so that's about 70 recruits, and then of course you got some better stuff here that you get. A lot of times I'll get boots, which are hard to come by. I also get some auricular nuggets and things in that vein. A lot of people do 6-8, and 6-8 is cool for when I'm just chilling and I don't feel like using my loot tickets, because of course it's cheaper and I can just set it on autoplay and win a lot of recruits like that. But I'm going to go ahead and do speed purpose. God, my brain's not working. The dog won't shut up. 12-9. Just going to go ahead and use some seconds here. Alright, we'll go next. And then we'll come back. And I'll go ahead and we'll use refill. And we'll do auto win again. 7 this time. As you can see, I got 69 right at 70, and I'm getting, there's 1, 2, 3 star. I know I use a lot of potions as well, so there's some leather strips for potions, mana potions, and anyways, I just find better loot here, a couple heroes, and so I'll go next. We'll go back here, and again I'll dump the heroes into training camp 4, and that's because it's low cost but extremely slow. And again, that gives you the oh crap, I hit that button. Let's see, let's get out of that there. Need to move that away from that. But it gives you, because they're so slow, it gives you the option to, kind of do what you want to do. Say you pull a legendary red and you want to go ahead and start working on him, and then you can draw out all 162 and dump it into red and just start working on stuff like that. So it's just a way to get around having to spend food and iron on your houses. You can leave them a lower level and then can just continuously build up recruits like this. Alright, hope this helps. Peace.